This is the final project for Team Pineapple, which consists of Reed Allred and Aaron Ford. For our project, we designed a learning management system. We like learning management systems and find them useful, and we also find it staggering at the number of courses that aren't completed on current LMSs. Through research, it was found that by adding the ability to create a plan for the completion of a course, you greatly increase the chances of someone completing the program. So we developed an LMS that has that ability to generate a plan for your course of how you plan to complete it in a timely fashion. We started out by making some wireframes for the student-teacher interfaces. Originally, we had a separate role for teachers and students that we were going to do that you could switch between with each login, but we did some survey testing on that and it wasn't very popular. And through some iterations, we came up with this layout that we have now, slightly adjusted. And so we have our login page. We'll have a page where you'll be able to join courses, and then the course overview page. We combined the student and teacher home onto one page, so the home page for every person that logs in will list both the student courses that they're enrolled in as well as the teacher courses that they're teaching. And then the courses have a lesson page with the list of the lessons, whether or not they are complete. It has the ability to create your study plan for your courses as well as the course itself. And the teacher setup is similar. Same login, same homepage that has the combined teacher student interface, but the teacher has the ability to create a course and well as add lessons to that course and then edit those. We have a database schema here. The different courses, lessons, plans, enrollment all have their own variables that are associated with their schema to allow for the code to function the way we designed it. And since our last milestone, things that we included that needed to be in the final project were the course join page where you could go and search all the existing courses out there and find ones that you wanted to enroll in. The lesson list, which is the page for the course that lists each of the lessons and whether or not they're completed. The ability to finish a lesson, so we added in a button that you can click at the end of the lesson to mark that you had completed it, as well as the capability to create and edit the study plans for the lessons. We have a demo of the running application, as well as a quick overview of our code base and some of the tools that we used. And in this demo, we'll not only go over these new features, but we'll go over the entirety of the application so you can see it run. This here is just some of our code that we've been doing in Ruby on Rails, so that we can have a lot of functionality that makes it nice and beneficial for us to be able to program in and set this kind of a system up. We also use Bitbucket as a repo, and you can see some of our Vue source code, as well as some of our controllers and other files that we have. And for the application itself, if you don't have an account, you can register for one, or if you do, you can just log in. Capability to remember you or not. So this is our home page. This is the teaching section and the student section. So these are the courses that the teacher is teaching. Ability to create a course, log out, and then for enrolling in courses, you can find new courses through the Join a Course button, as well as access the courses that you're already enrolled in here. So we'll just go through each one of these. So if you want to create a course as a teacher, you can come in here, create a course, add a link, add some content, and then you create your course. And then people who come to this page will be able to click on the enroll button here to enroll in that course. And then as a teacher, you can go into your course. You can edit the content if you want. And you also have the ability to create lessons. As you can see, when a student is on the lesson page itself, the content will be displayed down here. And then after they have completed the lesson, they'll be able to mark their lesson as finished. We won't mark that yet, but we'll go back. And so if you want to, you can come down here, you can click on the lesson to edit it, update the information if you like, or you can create another lesson if you want to add to that as well. For a student, they can come in, they can see their lesson list. You can see it marks whether or not you finished or haven't, you have or have not finished lesson. Here you have your course study plan. You can edit your plan if you need to. You can go into a lesson. After you've done it, you can mark it as finished. And then, as you can see, this is a class that I haven't created a study plan for yet because I just enrolled in it but haven't done anything with it. So, starting a new course, I plan to complete. You can create your plan. And then once that's done, you have access to the lessons. This course doesn't have any lessons associated with it yet, but as a teacher, they can go in and add that lesson like we did with the other one. And then if you want to add more courses here, you can go to the Join a Course. It lists all the current existing courses available in the LMS application. We've already seen the enrollment process, but we can do that again. Actually, no, I think we're already enrolled in all of them. Yeah. Yeah, so there we have it. We have the basic functionality. We've seen the ability to create a class and be a teacher and add lessons to it and update that information as needed. And we've seen the ability to enroll in courses, find courses to join, enroll them, and then to be able to go through and create your study plans and to view your status with your lessons for that course. And so that is our LMS application that we created. We've been able to reach all the goals that we had for the project and have all the functionality that we had set out in our original statement that we needed to meet. And so we have completed it, and it's been fun, and we think that we have a pretty good system here. So thank you.